Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to create vector illustration art with ChatGPT and Recraft AI. You no longer need to waste hours of time because AI can now create amazing vector illustration art in just seconds. Okay guys, first open ChatGPT and simply type this text. ChatGPT will now create some vector illustration prompts for you. You can create any prompt you like. Now search for Recraft AI on Google. Simply open this site and sign in. I'll provide a link to this Recraft AI site in the description. Once signed in, your interface will look something like this. Let's create a new project. Here, select this frame option. Okay, first try this nature and landscape vector art prompt. Simply copy this prompt here and go to Recraft AI. Now simply paste the prompt here. You can type a negative prompt here. Choose a color here, type prompt here. You can manage the size of the artboard and set the number of art here. Now click Generate Frame, and your vector illustration art will be ready in seconds. Here you can export this art to any format. If you don't like this art, just go to Recraft V3 Raw and you'll see several art styles. Choose any style. Let's choose this psychedelic art style and apply it. After applying, just click Generate, and your vector illustration art will be ready in seconds. You can choose any art style you like from here. After choosing an art style, this AI will create new vector illustration art each time. Now you can experiment and create it again and again. Okay, now let's try this fantasy and science fiction illustration prompt. Simply copy the prompt and go to Recraft AI. Paste the prompt, select the Recraft V3 Raw art style, and click Generate. Great. If you don't like it, regenerate, and it will generate new art for you. Let's change the art style again to create a different art style. I'm repeating the same process. Great. Now let's try another vector illustration prompt. I'm repeating the same process. So I'm speeding it up to save you time. You can experiment and generate it over and over again. Here you can create unlimited amazing vector illustration art in just seconds with ChatGPT and Recraft AI.